Should race be a factor in college admissions? Today, the U.S. Supreme Court declined to rule how far affirmative action can go, sending the first of this week's big cases back to a lower court. This case involved a white woman who claimed she was denied admission to the University of Texas because of affirmative action. By a vote of 7-1, the justices seem to uphold diversity policies as long as they don't involve quotas, but also said the lower court should reconsider whether this University of Texas policy violated the woman's equal protection rights. Wale Aliu got reaction today from local schools.
To me, it's really important.
Miami University freshman Carol Zhang believes in the importance of affirmative action.
I think those stuffs helped me a lot when I got admitted to this university. Like, my score doesn't define what is me.
While schools like Sinclair and Wright State are very open to who they allow, Miami and Ohio State universities both tell us there are a lot more factors they look at when accepting applicants, and diversity just happens to be one of them.
If we don't create an educational environment that allows our students to be successful, we're really doing a disservice to our students.
That's because studies have shown diversity in the classroom enhances the educational environment. But it's not just racial diversity.
You have to make it a priority for it to be diversified. And if it's absolutely necessary, you can choose diversity, but they have to have something else to bring to the table. If their academics aren't as good as someone else, they have to bring something else to the table.
Miami University has made a conscious effort to increase diversity, going from 6 to 13% minorities in the last 10 years. Dr. Cabaz says if the Supreme Court ever takes race out of the application process, it will be hard to see that kind of minority growth on campus.
Diversity of thought, urban, rural. I mean, if you look at, very few students are the same. A student coming from a rural southeast Ohio is going to be very different than what a student from suburban Columbus, Ohio brings to us versus an applicant from Chicago, an applicant from China.
Some of the universities probably pay more attention to what do you do in your after school time and what sports do you play, what diversity you can bring to the campus.
As Wale Aliu reporting, in this last week of their term, the Supreme Court's also going to be ruling on same-sex marriage and on voting rights. We'll have it all covered for you.